Hey guys, this is a repeat after me video for the days of the week. So I'm going to say Monday, and then after me, you say Monday. Slowly but surely. Feel free to pause, go back, slow down the speed of the video, whatever you might need. Okay, I say, and then you say. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, we can do it one more time, maybe a little bit, tiny bit faster. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday to Sunday is considered the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is the weekend. That's all for this one.